I do it again. I guess it's a good thing since I signed up for 2 more races, so hopefully I can get the rest of the road warriors out for the next one. You might have to catch me at the end of this one. I'm feeling a little weak. Triathlons now.
I think it was interesting. I always wanted to try it, but I never had it. You know, they're all much longer. It's kind of a nice way to intro into it.
Yeah. Well, I knew I was just trouble in the pool when I'm like, oh, I'm going to try to stick with Jeff. Off the wall, you're like 3 body lengths ahead of me, and then I think you lapped me the first time at 150 yards, and I'm like, okay, bye bye. You know.
I told you, my home is. My home is in the water.
Yeah. Well, and I think that actually, really, if we get down to it, that's the only way that we want our age groups. I mean,
well, those other guys lapped me like 3 times.
Yeah, it's like, and some of these women like were way ahead when it came to biking and swimming, but the swimming was the secret. So, but I think I'd like to call out the other road warriors.
Absolutely.
Because come on.
We took first place across the 30 to 39 age group.
Yeah, like domination from the road warriors, and it'd be cool if they could bring team. Like we did a team thing. You know, we could
crush on a team.
We could totally crush because you get Mike and Jill out here
running
and Melissa. I mean, these people can kick rear.